here. Welcome to my channel, and I'm the Clean Queen. Life is messy, let's clean it up. Today we're gonna be cleaning our cabinets in our kitchen, and we're gonna be using Murphy's oil soap. I usually use about a 1/4 cup of Murphy's oil soap with about 4 cups water, and mix it together, use a rag, and just wipe them down. I always start on the top first, just in case it drips. And then I'm gonna go all the way around my kitchen. And I typically do this about once a season. I will clean my cabinets just to get rid of the oils from our fingerprints. Now my cabinets aren't that bad because I have the handles, but on my old cabinets, before we redid our kitchen, they would get really grimy right where the handle was because there were no handles on our old doors. So now I don't see quite as much grime on them as I did before. And then I'll go inside the cabinet. My cabinets are at a 90-degree angle, so sometimes it is tough to get some of the dirt particles out of there, so I'll just use my fingernail, go inside of there, or what I'll do is I will use a Q-tip as well. You'll see right there, there's a little bit more dust in that corner. So I get a Q-tip, dip it in the Murphy's oil soap, just go along that edge, get those little dust particles out. Then your cabinets look good as new. So you can see right here, there's a little piece of it as well. Got it right out. So in our old kitchen, we didn't have the recessed lighting that we have now, so you really couldn't even see the spot of dust and grime on them. But now, because we have the recessed lighting, which is so much brighter, we can see everything. The cabinet's a little damp, so I'll just wipe off the excess. I will keep the doors open just for a little bit, just so they can dry out. I use a microfiber cloth so it doesn't leave behind any extra lint. Because when you're cleaning and you're done, you don't want to see any lint. You want it to be clean and look brand new. So we'll keep those open for a little bit. So now the most gratifying part of being done with cleaning the cabinets is I go back to where I started and I shut them all. And you can see that natural shine. Smells clean. I have something done off my to-do list. All that in just under 25 minutes. I feel accomplished. And what I always say, when something's clean, life can be a dream.